Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a very simple and easy recipe for you guys. It's literally my favorite dinner right now. It's just sweet potatoes and scrambled eggs. They're really easy to make. This took me like 30 minutes to do everything. So yeah, please enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and also share this video when you're done. So after boiling my potatoes, I'm just going to drain it and then just set it aside and just move on to the next thing. So I like using a lot of tomatoes for my scrambled eggs because that's just what that's how my mom always made it, and I'm just used to having it like that. I absolutely love it like that. And of course I have to add a little bit of Scotch bonnet just to make it spicy, you get it. So I'm only using one, and I'm going to be using 3 eggs as well. Also, I'm just adding smoked paprika to the eggs just to give it a little bit of flavor and some color, because I don't really like my eggs just looking plain, if that makes sense. So you feel free to add anything, to be honest. And I also added a little bit of salt. I'm only adding 1 Maggi cube because I don't really like my scrambled eggs too seasoned, if that makes sense. I just like it lightly seasoned, so I don't have too much seasoning going on. But if you would prefer to add a lot of seasonings, that is your choice. You can add garlic, you can add onion seasoning, you can add all-purpose seasoning, you can add chicken seasoning as well. Some people add thyme and curry to their eggs. Feel free to do whatever you like to this, but this is just how I like my eggs. I feel like there's already so much flavor going on, and I just like how it tastes when it's just onions, tomatoes and Maggi. I just like the taste anyways. You can add a little bit of salt, but then again, I already added some salt to the eggs when I was beating them, so I didn't see the need to do that. And then I added my eggs, and I'm just going to fry this and just flip it around a few times for like a minute or 2. You don't want your egg to burn, and then when this is done, it looks like this, and your eggs are ready. Like I said, this video is a very short and easy recipe. I do hope you try it and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Also share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.